What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing 2005 Honda Civic seats on the project Integra, and to do that we're going to take these pieces off EK seats, and to do that you just drill these two little pins out on each bracket. On this one there's one, and on that one there's only one. And on this one you have to cut this. So I got this one off. This one's just drilling these two holes, and then right here is kind of spot welded, so you have to kind of hammer it out. On this one I already cut this with the grinder, and then I start with this, drilling this out. You start with the small bit and then work your way up to the size that this is. It's probably about a quarter inch drill bit. If you're not going to reuse the bracket, just grind it out and then just hammer it. This is what it should look like when you're done. And you have 4 brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the brackets off both seats, both EK seats. 2 more to go. So on this newer seat you're gonna have to cut on more places. So that's one right here, the same bracket. Another one right there, this front bracket on this side, and on the bottom this other bracket right there, and that other bracket right there. And put something to cover the seat, because otherwise you're gonna damage the bottom of it. Not really important because you're not gonna see that, it's on the bottom, but just in case you damage anything else, try to cover it with maybe a cardboard or put something over it. This one was a little bit more time consuming, so now what I did is I took off the rail, the whole rail right here, bolted this side down, and marked where I had to drill a new hole, because the holes are not gonna align. So you're gonna want this bracket in the hole where you took off the original bracket, and the back one you're gonna have to drill a new hole. And try to use bolts with no washers in the bottom, because this space right here is really thin and it hits right here. It has little bumps. I had to grind them down because the bolt hits right here. The back brackets I had to drill 2 new holes, and this bolt is kind of hard to put in because it sits under the rail, but if you do it with the wrench, it's a little bit easier. And then the 10mm bolts go down, and there's a nut on the other side. And I have this seat all mounted. The rail works, all the bolts align, and she's ready. Let's go to the other side. And don't forget to switch your seat belt buckle over to your new seat, because the other one is not going to work. And just like that, we got both of the seats in there.